Hello, I'm Israel. Uh, Today I will solve these three problems in this video. So, so let's start it. So, the first problem, it says suppose AB will be a real number, and this one equals to 5 minus 2 times square 2. Then what is A and B? So for this problem, we can do it like this. We can time this one and this one. So what does that mean? We can compute that this will be 3 times A and plus square 2 times A, right? And this one will be minus B and plus square 2B, square 2 times B. And this one we can do it like this one. We put these two together, 3A minus B. And get these two together. That means A plus B times square 2. And so we can find that this 3A minus B will equals to 5. And this A plus B, this one will be minus 2. So we can solve this equation. 3A minus B equals to 5 and A plus B equals to minus 2. So it is easy to compute. So we can get A equals to quarter 3, and B is minus 11/4. So this is our answer. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay. Okay, so the second problem, so it says suppose A, B, C are 3 different points in a line, and the A is 2, and B is 6, and C is X. We don't know. So if AC and BC equals to y with square 3, where is X? So this is the this is the problem of the this is the problem for the section formula. So this one you will have 2 cases. Okay, so we can draw it like this. So this is A equals to 2, and this is B, which is equals to 6. So by section formula we have 2 cases, right? The first case is if C is between A and B, like this one. For example, C is here, and we can get that AC and BC is 1 and square 3. So in this case, we just compute by section formula. So C will equals to so we can get the denominator will be 1 plus square 3. Yeah, this is, you don't have any problem. So So this is the denominator. For the nominator, so nominator, we can compute the b times this one, and we plus a times this one. So a times square root 3. So we can alter it by this one. We can times 1 minus square root 3. And the denominator, we can do the same thing. 6 plus 2 times square root 3. And we also times 1 minus square root 3. So this guy we can compute. This one will be 2 times square root 3. So this is the first case. If C is between A and B, then the C will equals to 2 times square root 3. Okay, so we have another cases. The C is outside of A and B, so that means C will be here, and we change another color. Like C is here, and AC and BC is 1 and square root 3. Right? So also we can find the section formula. So the denominator will be square root 3 minus 1. Yeah, this is simple. And also the denominator, we just put this one first. Square root 3 times 2. And we minus 1 times 6 here. And we just compute this one, we can get minus 2 square root 3. So that means by the outside section formula, we can compute C is equals to this one, minus 2 square root 3. So for this question, the X, we have two answers. The first one, if C is between A and B, then the C is 2 times square root 3. But if C is outside of A and B, then the C is equals to minus 2 times square root 3. So we have these two answers. Okay. So this is the question 2. Okay, so the question 3. This is the question of the absolute value. So it says if the solution of the absolute value of x plus 3 smaller or equal to, this is B, not 6. This is B. This is typo here. This is B. The answer of this one is minus 2. X is smaller or equal to 5 and larger or equal to minus 2. So what is that B? Yeah. So let me just erase this, and we can solve it. Okay, so for this case, for the absolute value, we also have two cases here. So the first one is the x plus 3 is actually smaller or equals to b. That means if we don't put the absolute value, the first case it is actually smaller or equal to b. Yeah. So we can get so if this case is hold, the a will be smaller or equal to b minus 3 divided by a. Okay, so this one is relatively simple. This is case 1. And case 2, yeah, if another case of the absolute value is like this one. Is the ax plus 3, it may be larger or equal to minus b, right? So if this case is hold, then the answer of x will be larger or equal to minus b minus 3 divided by a. So we can easily say, this is the lower bound of x, this is upper bound of x. So we can see the lower bound of x is minus 2. So this one is equals to minus 2. This guy is minus 2. And this guy is 5. Right? So we can get these two equations, and we can just order it like this. So we can find 5 times a is equal to b minus 3. Right? It is b minus 3. And the other one, minus 2 times a is equals to minus b minus 3. We can write it like this, right? And we can find that. So we can slope this like this. A is equal to minus 2. And b is minus 7. And this is the answer. This is the answer for this question. Okay. So this is the video, and we solved these 3 questions. And thank you everyone, and see you next time. Bye.